Hi there, Celsius in trouble again? So, Celsius has been accused of fraud by the head of KeyFi, which formerly managed a portion of Celsius customers' deposits. The story goes like this. In 2020, Celsius began to acquire a company called KeyFi. Later that year, Celsius shared the private keys of customers' deposits with KeyFi and asked them to invest them. The two companies later stopped working together. At one point, before the two companies split apart, KeyFi was managing nearly $2 billion in assets. And now, KeyFi says Celsius owes it money. They said that Celsius' risk management team monitored KeyFi's investment strategies. It assured KeyFi that Celsius was hedging against market fluctuations and impermanent losses from liquidity pools. However, KeyFi soon found that Celsius was not in fact hedging against those risks. Rather, Celsius had naked exposure to the market. By the time that KeyFi attempted to unwind its DeFi positions, Celsius had reportedly suffered impermanent loss. According to a legal filing, Celsius refused to recognize the resignation of Jason Stone, the head of KeyFi, and denied him payments owed. Stone suggests that Celsius believed that the loss meant that he had stolen money from it, and continued to hold him responsible. Stone says that he has privately attempted to resolve the dispute with Celsius and obtain the money owed. But now, Stone is taking the matter to court to reach a settlement. That lawsuit additionally alleges that Celsius leveraged its customers' deposits to manipulate the crypto asset market and improperly accounted for certain transactions. And lastly, Celsius has not commented on the accusations, nor has it confirmed that it worked with KeyFi,